Hello, I'm Paul van der Plaats at the VuWall booth at ISE 2020. So amongst the different things we're showing today at this show, we have the latest development on our VuWall 2 software. You'll probably recognize, for those who are familiar with this software, what we've added this year is additional security on the communication between the operator and the video wall processor itself. So all communication is TLS secure. One of the few things we added also are borders around the windows that can be triggered based on an event. And many other features. Of course, the new control panel where you can change different layouts. So the design tool for the control panel is included in the VuWall 2 software. So for more information, you can visit us at vuwall.com. Thank you.